Good morning, class. Today we are going to talk about what I touched on at the end of class yesterday, which is adding and subtracting. So first, the standard for today is to relate counting to addition and subtraction. Alright, first things first, we need to go over what addition and subtraction means. So, Johnny, why don't you come up here and tell everybody what the definition of addition is? That is right. Addition means putting together two or more numbers together to get the total. Next, we need Olivia to come up here and please tell us what subtraction is. Yes, that is correct. Taking away two or more numbers to get the total. Good job, good job. Alright, next we're going to do the basic addition problems. Now these are very simple problems to do and very easy to do. So can we get Brett to come up here and do the first two problems, please? So Brett, the first problem is 5 plus 2. Very good, very good. The next one is 2 plus 1. So Brett, what is that? Very good, very good. It is 3. It is 3 now. Alright, next, can we have Sophie to come up here and please do the next two problems? Alright, the first one is 3 plus 3. Now, Sophie, what is 3 plus 3? It is 6. Very good, Sophie. Very good. Alright, Sophie, the next one is 10 plus 9. Now, this one's kind of big. Do you know this one? Yes, Sophie, very good. That is correct. I'm very proud of you. Alright, next, can we get Harry to come up here and do the next two? Alright, the first one, Harry, is 7 plus 7. It is 14. That is very good, Harry. That is very good. Now, the next one is a very simple one. It is 1 plus 1. Now, Harry, do you know what 1 plus 1 is? It is 2. Very good, Harry. Very good. Now, next, can we get Marley to come up here and do the next two problems? Please, Marley. Now, the first one is 3 plus 6. Marley, do you know this one? It is 9. Very good. Very good. Now, the next problem is 9 plus 9. Marley, do we know that one? It is 18. Very good. Very good. Now, Hunter, please come do the last two problems on the board, please. The first one is 6 plus 2, Hunter. It is 8. Very good. Very good. Now, the next one is 8 plus 4, Hunter. Do you know what 8 plus 4 is? It is 12. Very good. Very good. That was very good, class. Very proud of y'all. Y'all did not miss one single question. Now, we're going to move on to the basic subtraction problems. Now, these are also very easy for the most part. You guys should do very well again, just like y'all did on the addition ones. So can we get Logan to come up here and do the first two problems on the board, please? The first one is 2 minus 1. Logan, what is 2 minus 1? It is 1. Very good, very good. Now, the next one is 5 minus 3. Logan, do you know what 5 minus 3 is? It is 2. Very good, very good. Now can we get Marty to come up here and do 9 minus 2, Marty, please? It is 7. Very good, very good. Now, Marty, the next one is 10 minus 10. This is a big one, Marty. Do you know this one? It is 0. Very good, Marty. Very good. Proud of you. Alright, Brianna. Can you please come up here and do the next two? The first one is 6 minus 5, Brianna. What is 6 minus 5? It is 1, Brianna. Very good, very good. Now, Brianna, the next one is 8 minus 4. Do you know what 8 minus 4 is? It is 4, Brianna. Very good, very good. Now, Wade, can you please come up here and do the next two problems on the board, Wade? The first one you have is 6 minus 6. Do you know what 6 minus 6 is? Yes, very good. It is 0. Good job, good job. The next one, Wade, is 7 minus 1. You know what 7 minus 1 is? It is 6. Good job, good job. Okay, next, can I please have Lindsay please come up here and do the next two? The first one is 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? 1. Very good, very good. Now the last problem, Lindsay, is 6 minus 1. Do you know that one? It is 5. Very good, Lindsay. Now, guys, good job, good job. You guys didn't miss one again. So we're going to move on to the next part. Now these are probably going to be kind of hard. We have compound addition and subtraction. It just means there is now 3 numbers besides 2 numbers now. So let's see if we can't get all of these right. Hunter, can you please come up here and do the first 2 problems on the board, please? The first one is 5 plus 3 plus 7. It is 15. Very good. Very good. Good job. The next one, Hunter, is 5 minus 2 minus 1. It is 2. Good job, Hunter. Good job. Proud of you. Next, can I please have Anna come up here and do the next 2 problems on the board, please? The first one is 9 plus 3 minus 4. It is 8. Very good. Very good. Now, Anna, the next one is 3 plus 3 plus 3. What is that, Anna? It is 9. Very good. Very good. Alright. Can I please have Mike come up here and do the next two problems, please, Mike? The first one is 9 minus 9 plus 2. That is correct. Very good, Mike. Very good. The next one is 5 plus 5 minus 2. That one is 8. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay, can I please have Savannah come up here and do the next two problems on the board, please? The first one is 10 minus 3 plus 3. What is that, Savannah? It is 10. Very good. Very good. The next one, Savannah, is 6 plus 1 plus 2. Now, what is that one? It is 9. Very good. Very good. Alright, can I please have Casey come up here and do the next two problems, please, Casey? The first one is 7 minus 3 plus 2. What is that one? It is 6. Very good. Very good. The last problem, Casey, is 8 plus 1 minus 2. Casey, what is that one? It is 7. Very good. Very good. Alright, class. That is it for today. I'm very proud of you guys. You guys did not miss not one question today, guys. That was very good, and I will see you guys tomorrow.